Hey there, welcome to Gander Flight. I'm Joshua, and today we're going to be cleaning up, restoring an old camping lantern. So we keep this lantern on our kitchen table and use it during meals for a little ambiance. It belonged to my great-grandmother, and we really like how it looks on the table. Having this or some candles out there really makes the meal that much more pleasant. However, this glass lamp is not a good solution to use when camping. So, recently I've been looking out at the thrift stores and the antique stores for a camping lantern. And I found this little guy for $5. Couldn't believe it. Opened up the fuel tank. Fuel tank inside is completely dry, no rust. So we're gonna just clean up the outside, give it a new coat of paint, and get this guy back into service. So that's a wrap on this little project. It turned out awesome. We're gonna get a lot of use out of it, and it was a cool $5 well spent. Some things I learned from this project were just go ahead and start with the wire wheel and the bench grinder. I tried to do some less aggressive ways, and it didn't necessarily matter. Using the torch or using the Dremel all just weren't aggressive enough. I was worried about ruining the metal, but there was no need to worry about it. The only other thing I learned, and that I'll do differently next time, is the primer I used was a 2-in-1 automotive primer, and it's too thick. I can see like on the letters of the fuel cap here that it's much thicker than the original paint or enamel. So I probably would use a different primer and or just get a paint and primer in one, and go with something that's going to be a little bit thinner as a final product. But overall, it worked well. We're going to get use out of it, and thanks for joining me. If you're into DIY projects, be sure to check out ganderflight.co. Check out some of the other videos I've done, and we'll see you out at the campground. Take care, pay it forward. Until next time, you've been watching Gander Flight.